Hello friends, today I want to review the iRobot Roomba 606 robotic vacuum cleaner purchased from Amazon at the price of dirhams 799 only. This is available in shops, other shops, retail shops at 1000 dirhams. So yeah, I got a discount of 200 dirhams. I'm super excited to share with you the video for the unboxing right now. Good morning friends. Today we are going to do the unboxing of iRobot Roomba 606 vacuum cleaner. I've ordered it from Amazon and I've got a very big box compared to the product. Let us see what we have got here. It has come in an Amazon Prime tape in one day, whereas I had ordered a regular delivery. Thank you, Amazon. Here we go. Here we have it, the iRobot Roomba vacuuming robot Roomba 606. It's come with a really nice handle with a 2 years limited warranty. The packing is really neat and good quality. The 2 years limited warranty sticker on the Roomba 606. Let us open it now. I'm really excited. Try out the new Roomba. It comes with a power cord. A base charger, this is the charging base, a charging cable, a quick start guide, an owner's manual, a warranty card, now for the big thing. Now for the Roomba itself. The packaging is neat, very neat. here comes let's get this off. Here we go, the new iRobot Roomba 606. So this brush, a smaller brush, the wheels, nice shock absorbers. Can it go off-road? And this seems to be the dirt bag, which I think we need to pull out. The dust bag is fairly easy to remove with the air filter, dust filter. It goes back on pretty neat with a click. The buttons are pretty neat. The sensor on the sides and the lower side with the fairly strong wheels. The main brush, the smaller brush, the turning wheel, and the charging points where it aligns with the charging points of the charger. Once I remove this, we are ready to go. Pretty neat and solid to handle. This is the basic of the iRobot Roomba available today. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I will be back with my next video on the working of the Roomba soon. Bye bye. Thank you.